This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable bowls, specifically these Pulp Tech disposable bowls and lids. It's important to note the lids for these are sold separately than the bowls, and you have several options for both. There's a 24, 32, and 42 ounce capacity for these bowls, and they're all 7 inches by 7 inches across on the top, and they feature various depths to give you that different capacity. And that means that if you buy one size or a mix of these, you only need to get yourself one lid to go with them because the lids are interchangeable. They'll fit on all 3 sizes of these bowls. And there's 2 options for your lids. There's a flat or a domed if you want a little extra headroom there on top, especially for things like salads, right? And they're both made of clear plastic, so you're going to easily be able to see your foods down inside and really show off your attractive meals and dishes. I also love that there's that big open area on top of these lids, so if you want to add anything like an ingredient label, identifier, sticker, or some branding, there's ample room there. And all of the bowls feature this lovely white finish, and they're made from repurposed sugar cane. So they're 100% commercially compostable and biodegradable. That sugar cane is naturally grease resistant, so they hold up to oils, sauces, and dressings. So these are perfect for things like salads, soups, pasta, and a wide variety of other delicious meals. These bowls are also both freezer and microwave safe, making them perfect for storing and reheating your leftovers. The lids, which are sold separately, so you can pick the option that best suits your needs, come in both the domed, so if you want to do something like salad and you want that little bit of extra headroom so that when your customers add their dressing, they've got some room to shake it up, or the flat. And you can see that both of those lids make a nice tight seal and they snap on there really securely, making these a great option for to-go foods as well, since they're going to stay on and keep that tight fit during transport. So these are perfect for cafes, restaurants, and a variety of other food establishments for that perfect eco-friendly disposable option.